Let me show you where dental clinics leak revenue. It's not your ads and it's not your prices. It's what happens after someone raises their hand. So, suppose you run liner ads and you get 50 inquiries a month. Now, out of this 15 are junk leads. Wrong numbers, agencies selling you something, gone. 20 of this just ask the price, curious clickers, how much, and vanish, window shoppers, normal. That leaves 15 serious people, a real problem. And they told you about it. Every one of them will get aligners somewhere, from someone, within next 6 months. And out of this 15, suppose 3 book with your clinic. So basically, 12 people lost. 3 out of 50 feels normal. So clinics blame the ad, change the agency, raise the budget, but the leak isn't at the top. It's here. 12 serious people and nobody knows what happened to them. I'll tell you. It's the same story every time. These 12 people, they actually messaged 3 different clinics. Clinic A, B, and C. And the one that replied first and kept following up with them, they won. Not the better dentist, the faster one. Now see, aligners are 50,000 decision or more. So people take weeks to think about it. They have questions. And whoever answers those questions gets the booking. Your front desk, they're busy running a clinic. Nobody can chase so many conversations for weeks. And here is what almost nobody does. A cold lead is not a dead lead. No. Nudge that same person at 30 days, 60 days. A real percentage says yes, actually. The interest didn't die, the conversation did. By nurturing or following up with the cold leads, even if you could have recovered 3 of them, the math is in front of you. It's 1,50,000 recovered. So that was 1.5 lakh a month you were leaving on the table. Double the bookings from ads you already paid for. And one more thing. Every outcome, who booked, who paid, who ghosted, should be traced back to the exact ad that produced it. If your meta ad knows who the good leads are, and if you feed that information back to your ad optimizes and learns who actually the genuine leads are. And slowly, over the time, over a period of 2-3 months, when it accumulates 100 to 200 such signals, performs better than before. And that's how your revenue on the ad spend and your cost per patient will decrease. This is exactly what AUMY does automatically. Every inquiry answered in seconds, followed up until it's a booking or a clear no. Cold leads revived at 30 and 60 days. Every rupee traced to its ad. Want to see it live on a real clinic's WhatsApp? Link below.